Hi, I'm Steve on behalf of Steve, Leslie and Georgia, New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty, Hutt Valley, and welcome to 51 Fraser Crescent. Easy care living in a prime location, close to everything that Upper Hutt has to offer. CBD, transport, schools, H2O and Brewtown. Let's go take a look. Internal access double garage, 3 bedrooms, ensuite, superb indoor-outdoor living and very spacious. If you like what you've seen, give myself, Leslie or Georgia a call. Thanks for watching.